Exercise 8.5 short question 2 part 1 a square minus b square equal to 11 into 9. Find a and b where a is always greater than b. So therefore a square minus b square 11 into 9 means 99. After that a square minus b square 99 means 100 minus 1. So therefore we can be written as in this formation. So therefore the value of a is 10 and the value of b is equal to 1. So therefore after finding the value, this condition a greater than b also satisfied it. So therefore the answer is a equal to 10 and b equal to 1. This is sum number 2, a by b plus b by a equal to 1. Find a cube plus b cube. Now adding those, the LCM should be ab, b into this, so a into a square plus b square equal to 1. Cross multiplying the values, a square plus b square equal to ab. Put it in the left hand side, so therefore we can get a square minus ab plus b square equal to 0. Therefore a cube plus b cube formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now this value, the value of a square minus ab plus b square equal to 0. So therefore put this value a plus b into 0, the answer is 0. Now the sum number 3, find the value of this, simplify it. So therefore in first line we can write this one is 25 whole cube and minus 75 whole cube we can write in this form, minus 75 whole cube minus cube. So therefore the answer should be in minus, plus minus minus. So minus 75 whole cube we can write it in this formation, plus 50 whole cube plus 3 into 25 into 75 into 50. Now if we let 25 equal to a, minus 75 equal to b and 50 equal to c, so therefore a plus b plus c equal to 25 plus minus minus 75 plus 50. So 50 plus 25 75, 75 minus 75 equal to 0. So therefore if a plus b plus c equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to minus 3 ab c. A cube plus b cube equal, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to not minus 3 abc. So therefore the answer should be 3 into a means 25 into b means minus 75 into c means 50 plus 3 into 25 into 75 into 50. So therefore minus with 3 into 25 into 75 into 50 plus 3 into 25 into 75 into 50. This one and this one both are equal, but the signs are, one is positive and one is negative, so therefore we can cut it. The answer is 0. This is sum number 4. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, find a square b by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab. So therefore LCM is abc bc, so the remaining is a. So the answer should be here a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now if a plus b plus c equal to 0, therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc from the formula. Say therefore we can put the formula here as a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc when a plus b plus c equal to 0. The answer is 3. This is sum number 3 part 1. Simplify these values. Now b square minus c square, if we let, this is x, this is y, and this is z. This is x, y and z. So therefore x plus y plus z equal to b square minus c square plus c square minus a square plus a square minus b square. Cut all those values, so the answer is 0. So therefore x plus y plus z equal to 0. So therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz, the same formula. And this one, b minus c, if we assume this is x, plus c minus a, this is y, and a minus b, this is z, we adding this is also 0. So therefore we put this formula, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz, the answer should be like this: 3 into b square minus c square, c square minus a square minus b square, b minus c, 3 into b minus c into c minus a into a minus b. Eliminate those, and after that b square minus c square means b plus c into b minus c, c square minus a square, c plus a to c minus a plus b, a minus b, and the denominator is b minus c, c minus a into a minus b. So therefore cut those values, the answer is b plus c, c plus a plus b. This is sum number 4, where let us write the value of x minus a whole cube plus x minus b whole cube plus x minus c whole cube minus 3 into x minus a into x minus b into x minus c, if 3x equal to a plus b plus c. Now first of all, we can written this in this formation. 3x means x plus x plus x, and this should right hand side to left hand side, minus a minus b minus c equal to 0. After that, taking 1x and 1 minus a, x minus a plus x minus b plus x minus c equal to 0. Now we have to find the value x minus a whole cube plus x minus b whole cube plus x minus c whole cube minus 3 into x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. So therefore this one, a plus b plus c equal to 0. So therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc, 3 into a into b into c minus 3 into x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. Eliminate those, the answer is 0. Sum number 3, 5. 2x square plus px plus 6 equal to 2x into minus a into x minus 2. Find a and b. First of all, we have to multiply those factors. The answer should be 2x into x, 2x square minus a into x minus ax. After that, minus 2 into 2x minus 4x and minus 2 into minus a plus 2a. So therefore we can write it this formation, 2x square. From these two, minus x is common, a plus 4 plus 2a. Now all this equation we can be written as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So therefore this is left hand side and this is right hand side. So therefore this value is equal to this one. So therefore 2a equal to 6, a equal to 3. After that this whole value is equal to this one. So therefore minus x into a plus 4 equal to px. We know the value of a. Putting those values, minus x into a means 3 plus 4 into px. Eliminate this. So the answer is p equal to 3 plus 4 7 minus 7.